Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I use AI to build apps even while working a full-time remote job. If you've ever wondered how to jiggle both, this video is for you. Let's get into it. So let's start with the tools you need to make this happen. Claude, Google's anti-gravity, ChatGPT, and if you're using Mac, Xcode. So the very first thing you need to do before you even start working on your app is ask yourself the question, what kind of problem do I want my app to solve? So in my case, I decided to make a fitness app because I know many people are actually struggling to lose weight and many of them don't even know where to start. Like, is it problem with eating too much? Is the problem that they don't exercise enough? How much water do they need to drink every day? So I went ahead and turned this problem into an opportunity for making this app idea. So it all starts with Claude Code. You go to Claude and you prompt the following. You tell it, you are taking the role of the world's best app builder and designer. I want you to mock up the main screen and other screens for an app about burning calories. It needs to be addictive to use, very engaging, and each user that uses it should feel like it's customized and tailored to their own needs. So guys, something very important here when using Claude and any kind of AI, if you're building an app, just ask it to give you a mock-up of the screen, like the main screen, right? Because usually it would just spit out a lot of text telling you what's all the app's features, but when you take these features together, you don't really know what the screen is going to look like. So the best, most direct, and least amount of tokens consumed in a conversation way for you to get what you want from Claude is just to ask it to mock up this main screen. And as you guys can see here, it made a very nice and clean dashboard. So yeah, guys, make sure to tell it that it's taking on the role of the world's best app builder and designer. That way, it will go through an extra step of thinking about what kind of app has it built already and what kind of app is it helping you to build. Is it just like some amateur app or is it like something which is like very high level, right? So this is also one very important thing. And another thing which every app designer would want, he would want his app to be very addictive. So how do you do that? It's by making users feel like the app speaks to them and understands their own customized needs. The user should not feel like the app tells everyone the same stuff. So this is why I prompted, like, give them diet tips which are tailored to their own lifestyle and habits. And yeah, of course, needless to say, the ultimate goal for the app is to help people lose weight. So this should be done with having like daily notifications which track the user's progress and reminds the user to exercise, to hydrate, and to pay attention on their calories. So yeah, as you can see, it already gave a lot of nice screens. So let's go to the second step. So for the second step, if you're on Mac, you want to open up Xcode, and then you want to go ahead and choose new project and build a new app. So just to give an example of what this will look like, you choose app. You can, by the way, also choose game. Click next, type your product name, and once you click next, it will create a folder wherever you tell it to make it. In my case, it's going to be on the desktop, which then you can access using Google's AI anti-gravity. So you can see my app is over here. This is my app folder, which basically I just made with Xcode. And now what we're going to do is go to anti-gravity. So the way you would do it is you would open up a new window, click open folder, and then you want to find your game folder, which is over here. And once you click open, it will immediately become project aware and have access to all your scripts and all the resources inside of that app. This is great because right now, once you have that, actually I have it open right here, you can just start prompting anything. So in our case, we're building an app from scratch, right? So you want to go back to Claude. Everything it gave you right now, you just need to do one thing. You just need to tell it, give me a prompt which I can give to another AI to build this app. So then what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and describe all of this into words, including the colors of the background, each single element, the color of each little ring over here, the font of the text, all the features, all the buttons. It will just spew out a prompt. You just take that prompt, copy it, go back to anti-gravity, paste it, click enter, and then it will build the app for you. It's that simple. So once that's done, you want to open up Xcode where your project is. Here is my project. And you want to run it and actually test it out. So this is the icon that you click to run the project. If it's successful, it will open this other app, which is called Device Simulation. And over here, you can see the entire app, which I just built using the steps that I just told you about. Sometimes be aware that Google's anti-gravity is going to make some errors. And when you click this, it's going to say build failed. Well, in this case, you don't have to worry. You can just simply screenshot whatever it tells you, go back to Google anti-gravity, just give it the screenshot here and send it to it. You don't even need to type something like fix the error, right? Like you just give it a screenshot. It's extremely smart. It's going to solve the problem right away. Once that's done, you just open up Xcode again, click run. Problem should be solved. If it's not solved, once again, screenshot the error, give it to it. Repeat this multiple times until you finally have an app which you can open. It's that simple, guys. It's that easy, guys. Once again, step number one, think of a problem, real world problem that your app can solve. Step number two, go to Claude, tell it that you're the world's best app builder and designer. Help me design this app. Step number three, take the prompt from Claude and give it to anti-gravity. Make sure that anti-gravity is already connected to a project that you made from Xcode. And step number four, just keep on iterating, keep on adding features, keep on testing your app on Xcode. As soon as you're happy with the end product, you can just ship it to the App Store, fill in the information over there. There's a bunch of tutorials showing how you can ship an app from Xcode to the App Store. And once that's done, you basically are going to have app live on the App Store, which you can then go ahead and advertise. You can post about it on Reddit. You can run Google ads, Facebook ads, and make money just like that. You can even tell anti-gravity to help you monetize your app by adding in-app purchases and subscription options. So yeah, guys, it's very convenient, very simple. And this is how you can make your own app using AI, even while working a full-time job. Thank you guys for watching. And if you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.